70 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. This process will continue. 4 goes into this 7 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 4, 4. Subtract. You are getting 3. Bring down the next digit 0. 4 goes into 30 how many times? 4 goes into 30. Look, 8 times 32 is his getter, so 7 times. Write 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2. So our answer is 17, remainder 2. If you want to write your answer decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 17.5.